The mind and brain are interconnected but distinct concepts. Both are central to the human experience, but they have different functions and definitions. Here are the differences between these two concepts. The brain is a complex biological organ located within the skull, composed of neurons. The brain manages essential biological functions, such as sensory perception, motor control, hormone secretion, and the maintenance of homeostasis. The brain is studied in fields such as neurology, biology, and medicine. Brain activities can be observed through brain scans and other biological measurements. The mind refers to the entirety of conscious and unconscious mental processes, including thinking, feeling, remembering, imagining, and awareness. The mind cannot be defined as a physical entity. It is more often considered the sum of cognitive processes. The mind encompasses a person's awareness, thoughts, emotions, beliefs, and memories. It can be seen as the center of consciousness. The mind is studied in fields like psychology, philosophy, and cognitive sciences. Studies on the mind are more theoretical and abstract. They are often challenging to measure experimentally. The brain is a physical organ, while the mind is an abstract concept. The brain controls physical and neurological functions, while the mind involves cognitive and emotional processes. The brain can be examined with biological and neurological tools, while the mind is usually studied through philosophical, psychological, and cognitive sciences. The mind includes conscious and unconscious thoughts, whereas the brain is where these processes occur. The relationship between the mind and brain has been a long-standing debate in philosophy and remains unresolved. Some theories suggest that the mind is independent of the brain, while others argue that the mind is entirely dependent on the brain's functioning. This is known as the mind-body problem.